Hello dear friends. In this video we study one point which is belongs to paper number 5, plant biochemist biotechnology and paleobotany, unit number 4, paleobotany, and point is geological time scale. Geological time scale is a record of earth history based on the organism that lived at different times. The geological time scale is a system of chronological measurement that related stratigraphy. Stratigraphy means the study of a rock strata, especially the distribution, deposition, and age of sedimentary rocks to time. It is used by the geologist, paleontologist, and other earth scientists to describe the time and relationship between the events that have occurred throughout the earth history. The first geological timescale was proposed in 1913 by the scientist British geologist Arthur Holmes. The period is 1890 to 1965. This was soon after the discovery of the radioactivity, and using it, Holmes estimated that the Earth was about 4 billion years old. Evidences from radioactive dating indicates that Earth is about 4.5 million years old. This was much greater than previously believed. The geological timescale is divided into 5 main eras. These eras are Cenozoic, Mesozoic, Paleozoic, Proterozoic, Archeozoic. Each era is divided into periods, and each period is divided into epochs. One by one, we study these era. First, in this geological time scale, in this diagrammatic representation, Cenozoic era. This Cenozoic era, it is having two major division, quaternary, tertiary. Quaternary division does not having further divided into periods, but it is having two epochs, Holocene, Paleistocene, Pleistocene. These are the two epochs of quaternary division. And in that Holocene, age of herbs, these are dominant organism, and their advances in a plant life, it indicate that increasing dominance of herb on earth. Then Pleistocene era, epochs, it is shows the specialization of herbaceous plant. The tertiary division is having two periods, late tertiary, early tertiary. Late tertiary is having the two epochs, Pliocene, Miocene, while early tertiary having the three epochs, Oligocene, Eocene, and Paleocene. In these epochs, we observe these numbers, that is nothing but 65.0, 54.8, 33.7, 23.8, 5.3, 1.8 or 0.01. These are nothing but a million year ago. That period indicate that quaternary division of a Cenozoic era, and which is having epoch Holocene, their year is 0.01 million years ago, and in that period the herbs, these are showing their dominance on the earth, therefore it is termed as the age of herbs. In this the table, we observe that which type of a plants these are having dominance on the earth, as well as these are which life forms these are come in existence on the earth. Pleistocene is characterized by the specialization of herbaceous plant. Pliocene epochs is characterized by increasing restriction of a plant's distribution and forest rise in herbs. Miocene epoch of that The late tertiary period, these are characterized by restriction to the distribution in the plants, while early tertiary, which is having the three epochs, that is Oligocene, that period is 33.7 million year ago, is characterized by the dispersal of woody angiosperm. Eocene 54.8 million years ago is characterized by the development of a flowering plant. Means you remember well, the existence of a flowering plant is seen in the Eocene epoch of early tertiary period of the major division tertiary of Cenozoic era, and in that the period is 33.7 million year ago. Eocene is characterized by the development of a flowering plant, while Paleocene 65 million years ago is characterized by modernization of angiosperm. Therefore, this tertiary period and quaternary period of a Cenozoic era is showing the age of angiosperm birds and mammals. The Mesozoic second era, it is having the two major division, late Mesozoic and early Mesozoic. Late Mesozoic is characterized by upper Cretaceous, middle Cretaceous, lower Cretaceous, and the period is 144 million years ago. It is having the dominant of higher gymnosperm and reptiles. These upper Cretaceous period, it is characterized by the dominance of angiosperm, dividing of gymnosperm. Middle Cretaceous, in that period, rapid development of angiosperm is takes place, while origin of angiosperm, dominance of cycadids and conifers, these are takes place in the lower Cretaceous. The early Mesozoic division having the two epochs, having two periods, Jurassic and Triassic. In the Jurassic period means in a 206 million year ago, origin of angiosperm, dominance of cycads and conifers, these are occur. Triassic period, which is 248 million year ago, in that period disappearance of seed form, cycads, conifers, ginkgoes increasing. Then Paleozoic era, it is having these three division, late Paleozoic, middle Paleozoic, early Paleozoic. Late Paleozoic, it is having the Permian, upper Carboniferous, lower Carboniferous periods, while middle Paleozoic, which is having the Devonian and Silurian period. Early Paleozoic, it is having the Ordovician, Cambrian periods. In these late Paleozoic, it is characterized by the lycopodial seed forms and amphibians, while these middle Paleozoic, it is characterized by the fishes and early plants. In the Permian, means 219 million year ago, on the earth, the rise of conifers and cycads, these are take place. Dominance of ferns, calamitales, lepidodendrons and gymnosperms, their dominance is shown 323 million year ago in upper Carboniferous period. Development of Lycopsida, calamitales, seed form is seen in a lower Carboniferous period. The Psilotopsida, Lycopsida, Spinopsida ferns, bryophytes and some algae, these are showing their dominance on earth in a Devonian of a middle Paleozoic, which is 417 million year ago. First known land plants dominance of algae, it is seen in Silurian period, that is 443 million year ago. Ordovician 490 million year ago shows the marine and green algae, the time of rising of land plants, while Cambrian, it is characterized by the evidence of algal origin. Then Proterozoic. It is in that era, algae and bacteria along with marine invertebrates show their dominance. Archezoic period, in that period unicellular algae, which is a very simple in a form, such organisms show their existence on earth. Proterozoic and Archeozoic era together are known as a Precambrian, and they together shows about 88% of geological time scale. And Precambrian, which is having the arrival of first multicellular organism, first one-celled organism, when origin of earth is takes place. Means I told or I explained this geological time scale from upper to lower, but it is not. We have to see that first from base to upward direction we have to study. Means origin of earth is takes place in this Precambrian period, where the 88% of the geological time scale is that period is take place, and that period is about 4,500 million years ago. The origin of earth is takes place, but on that earth the first arrival is of a one-celled organism. Later on, the first multicellular organism, these are developed on the earth. Then these Archeozoic era, in them probably simple but unicellular organism, these are developed. Later on, in the Proterozoic period, we observe that there is arrival of algae and bacteria along with that marine invertebrates. These are arrive or they show their existence on the earth. Then the next era which is coming is of a Paleozoic era, and in that Paleozoic era we found that the fishes, early plants, these early plants, these are nothing but algal origin is takes place in the early Paleozoic era. Along with them some marine green algae, these are also seen, and then the time is coming, at that time there is a rising of land plants is takes place, and therefore in the first known land plants, these are seen in the Silurian era or Silurian period of a middle Paleozoic division, and then these ferns, bryophyte, some algae along with that Psilotopsida, Lycopsida we observe, and then the development of Lycopsida, calamitrales as well as the seed forms, these are seen in a lower Carboniferous period. Means such type of one after another, from unicellular algae to multicellular algae, multicellular organism, then unicellular algae, marine algae, complex form, then the land plants, their arrival, these are seen in this geological time scale, and it is coming from base to these Cenozoic eras, and therefore the Holocene, that is nothing but age of herbs, which is having 0.01 million years ago, which shows the increasing dominance of herb. In this manner, we have to study this geological time scale or geological period, and in which chronological arrival of these organisms, these are takes place on the earth. Means how these earth is formed, and on that earth how these life is occur one to the next form, these are seen, their development, their dominance, these are seen at a glance on these geological time scale. And for our convenience, for proper study, these eras, these are divided into major division as well as periods and epochs, due to which in which exactly period the arrival and dominance of that plant life, animal life seen on the earth. and therefore from base to apex we have to study the geological time scale. Thank you student. Thank you.